The old new method is a structured system of self-development. Old because it's rooted in ancient teachings, and new because it's adapted to our age. The old new method is certainly not for everyone, and each person has to determine whether or not it suits their needs. There's no general profile of who fits or doesn't fit this kind of practice. We've attracted people from all over the world, from very different socio-economic backgrounds. They do, however, share three things in common. First, a lack of purpose, but not a fleeting lack of purpose, a deep, incapacitating one, so that without connecting to some deeper meaning, they cannot continue onwards with their lives. The second, a deep disappointment with themselves, a feeling of being enslaved to their own psychology, slaves to their habits and conditioning. And third, a disappointment with other mainstream spiritual teachings. It's not obligatory, but often people who find use in the old new method have despaired from other methods, haven't tried them, and not found the results they were looking for. So they come to us as a kind of last resort. The well-known teachings from the past, such as Christianity and Hinduism and Judaism, were not always exclusively religious. They were not always dogmatic and rigid. The customs and rituals we associate with these traditions may have always existed, but as an external, outer level. There were deeper levels, which their practitioners either ignored or altogether forgot. These deeper layers were always psychological. They always spoke of the human being, and specifically that the human being was incomplete. Nature brings us only to a certain point and then leaves us, just like it creates wheat but not bread, milk but not butter, grapes but not wine. Wine and bread never happen accidentally, and neither can the further development of the human being be accidental. It has to follow knowledgeable, intentional efforts. The old new method provides the knowledge and conditions for this further development. To experience our knowledge and methods firsthand, sign up for our next 3-day online gathering.